Hey guys, George Floyd Parks up there. It's right outside the Haunted Mansion. And if you are not careful, you would walk directly by the most amazing gift shop they have, Memento Mori. It is the Haunted Mansion gift shop, and guys, it is the most unique gift shop Disney has to offer. Let's take a look. You walk in, you'll know right away. It starts with the Hatbox Go Zippy hoodie. It comes with these ears that I have not seen anywhere else in all of Disney. We have bride ears with the Haunted Mansion and the flowers. The graphic tee. And then you have the Hatbox Ghost Lounge Fly. And then on the wall here, oh, they just happen to have a painting. Now if you watch, your eyes kind of follow you. It's very spooky. And then just continue on. The Ghoulish Harmony Club, you remember from the ride. With the graveyard scene. Fantastic lounge pants. And we just can dive in now. The wallpaper they made into a dress, which is awesome. And then this baseball hat is just an outstanding find. And we kind of pan down. We have more and more just clothing themed out. And then in that mirror, now and again, every once in a while, Madame Yoda comes out. I'm not sure when she will or not, but she comes through that mirror. And speaking of, you can buy her own. Let's see here. Gotta love the Madame Yoda. And then there's another Hatbox Ghost Loungefly. And as you pivot around in the center here, they just have this collection of really unique items. Some for sale, some just really decorative. Like the Mori book, the potions. And then these little carvings are actually for sale. And they're between $1,600 and $2,300, so clearly outside of Floyd Park's price range, which is some really neat products. And then here they have Christmas decorations, which are just great. They have from the stretching room, they have all the stretching room, different figures, which is just really kind of neat. And last but not least, our guy in his underwear. And then they have these guys for $125. Also the graveyard scene. And these are just really neat. They're glow. They have neon. I mean black light, so they're really neat. And then you have obviously the bride. And my daughter, who knows, has learned so much about this ride, has told me that the number of pearl necklaces she has increases as she goes through the ride. Because every time she kills one of her husbands, she becomes more fluent, and that represents that affluence. Kind of wild. Oh wow. How are you? That's awesome. And so then we come back through this way. And then they have the light diffusers with the guys from the sconces. And then the waffle makers. And then they have the Hitchhiking Ghost plates, which is just awesome. And they also have a Hitchhiking Ghost tray. And I will tell you, honestly, this thing is heavy. It is awesome though. And then they have a chess, Haunted Mansion chess set. They'll show some pieces. It look like very neat, but then they do go in and they have a whole entire dog section, which is awesome. We have a dog, those of you who know, Bailey. So this is the entire Haunted Mansion dog section, which is awesome. So guys, this is Memento Mori's gift shop right outside of the Haunted Mansion. It is, honest to goodness, an amazing, amazing thing. So guys, that said, it's George Florida Parks After Dark. Do me a favor. You guys have a fantastic day. Take care, like, and subscribe.
Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. And cries, toads in a pond. And there be music of regions beyond. Give us a serpents and spiders, hail of a rat, all in the spirits, wherever they're at. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere